Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good to be out at last again. The weather's not been fantastic, and that's why there's been a bit of a gap since the last Glencar construction site update. And even now, you'll probably see when you see the footage that the clouds are looming, and there is a little bit of rain actually coming down now as I speak. But I wanted to quickly crack on and show you what's been happening. A lot has happened in the short period of time since I last came here. Nearly all the fascias have gone on some of the buildings. Some window frames have also gone in. Some of the roller shutter doors for the loading bays, etc., have gone in. All in all, it's looking pretty damn good, I have to say. So hope you enjoyed the footage that follows, and as always, if you have any comments, they're always welcome. I will definitely try and get back to you within 24 hours. And yeah, hope you enjoy. Bye for now.